Hey there, how's it going? Hope everything is going well with you, and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell by the title of this video, I am reintroducing my channel yet again for the third time in its almost 1 year anniversary. But this time it's going to be a little bit different. I'm a little more prepared and I'm going to be sticking around. Looking back, I don't really know why I stopped making videos. I mean, even now from time to time, I'll go back and I'll watch my older videos. I remember filming them. I remember the headspace I was in when I was making them, and I regret not putting a little more effort within the year of 2020, which is now basically coming to a close, just to put out a few more videos, to have those memories, you know, to have that little bit of extra effort in this channel. But that changes today. That changes with this video. I emptied out this space, this studio that I can now come down, really just don't have to tear down and set up every single time. I can come here, sit down, hit record, and actually get my video ideas out, as well as keep a consistent theme, hopefully, going forward with my videos. So here is the new and improved Canada's youngest realtor YouTube channel, and let's hop into what I am going to be talking about and making videos on this channel. To start off, and I mentioned it in my other two introduction videos, but talking about my experiences and how I got started in the real estate business at such a young age. I do think I might have lost that wow factor, as I'm no longer 19 or 20, and those kind of passed without me putting out a lot of content within those 2 years. But I still feel like it's an interesting story to tell and a story that people might want to listen to. So my videos on, you know, how I got started, how I got my license at such a young age, different experiences along the way, are definitely videos that I want to continue to make. Next is finances, credit, and investing. I wouldn't say I have the most credibility when it comes to investing, but I think I have a fair amount of knowledge when it comes to credit cards, credit scores, and managing expenses for someone my age. And it would be interesting to make those videos and teach people how to do it, so that you're not really learning from a 30-year-old who's like a millionaire and, you know, obviously has a perfect credit score, but someone who's 21 years old and is teaching you and can show you exactly how to do it. And I know videos like that already exist, but I have this sick studio set up now, which these people probably don't have. So that's why I'm gonna make those videos, and that's why they're gonna be better. And number 3 for content or video ideas that I hope to make going forward on this channel is market news and opinions. Now, I wouldn't really say I'm a talker, but if someone's willing to listen, then I definitely will talk. And seeing as there's always real estate news and market updates coming out, every time I read it, I have my own opinions on it. So who knows, maybe I'll film reaction videos, and if someone wants to listen, then they can listen to Canada's not so young anymore realtor talk about it. And the last thing I want to mention, as this is kind of a video for my future self who might be unmotivated to come down here, sit down, film a video, edit it, and put it out, is to also go the authentic way and not the honest way. And what I mean by that is, all my previous videos don't have any swear words in them, and they don't obviously necessarily need it, but if you know me in person, you'll know that from time to time I will swear. So I'm not saying that I'm going to start purposely incorporating swear words into the videos, but if I think it'd be funny, then I might do it. Gary Vaynerchuk talks about all the time how he can probably have a lot more millions of followers if he didn't swear on his content or on his videos, but because to him that's the more authentic way to do it, that's how he advises people to go. So it doesn't look fake, so it feels more real. It doesn't look like it's all scripted. So until I get monetized, which is right around 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which I am a ways away from, maybe I will incorporate some bad words if I think it's funny, if I think it's necessary. If not, I won't do it. I'm not gonna do it purposely, but if I think it's funny, I will do it. So just be prepared for that. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, make sure to comment in the comments below and stay close by, because the new video will for sure be dropping sometime soon. I also got the idea to switch up my normal outro music and put it with some hard bass drop type stuff for this reintroduction video. So hopefully I don't get copyright striked on that, and I will see you in the next one. I stepped on it, the ice. Stop some but the spice. On the back is price. Stop. On the bed staat, brother,